Rahim. Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you all? Hopefully you are fine, and today we are starting our lecture. Open the page number 9 and see here, arrange the number in ascending order. We are doing question number 2. Last time we did question number 1. In today's question we are arranging the number in ascending order. We have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging number in a way that we will write the smallest number in the first, and then the larger, then smallest, and then we will go into the increasing order, or we will go from smallest to the largest. So see here, which is the smallest? This is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. This is 1 million, this is the 1 million, this is a 2 million, and this is 5 million. So these two are smallest. Now see here, this is 1 5 and this is 1 0. So this number is greater, but this number is smallest. So we will write 1 0 5 0 1 0 2. We will write this number first. After this we will write this number, because this number is smaller than this number. Now this is 2 million and this is 5 million. So we will write this is number, and then in the last we will write this number. Now coming to question number 2. This is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. This is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. This is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. This is 7 lakh, this is 8 lakh, this is 8 lakh, this is 8 lakh. So this is 7 lakh. So we will write the smallest number first. 744 788. This is 8 lakh. This is also 8 lakh. This is also 8 lakh. This is 8 lakh 43,000. This is 8 lakh 34,000. This is 8 lakh 44,000. So 34,000 is smallest. So we will write. After this 43,000 we will write the 8 lakh 43,000. Eight. In the last we will write 8 lakh 44,000. $788. So coming to this unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. The 6 million. There is also 6 million. This is also 6 million. This is also 6 million. So see the next number. This is 0. This is 5. This is 4. This is 5. So this is also a 5, this is also a 5, this is a 4, this is 6 0 5 4 1 1 6. This is smallest. We will write this number first. Then the smallest one is 6405161. Now this is a 6 million. This is also a 6 million. This is a 6,504,000. This is 500,000. So this number is greater and this number is lowest. So we will write this number first. And in the last we will write 6504 616. In the D we have unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 99 lakhs. This is 90 lakh, this is 99 lakh, this is 90 lakh, 99 lakh. So 90 lakh is smaller. This is 99 lakh, this is 99 lakh, this is 99 lakh. This is 99 lakh. There are no numbers in the thousand position. So there are 99,000 and this is 99,000 also. So here this is the smallest number. So we will write this number. After this is 99,000, this is 99 lakh 90,000, this is 99 lakh 99,000. So this is smallest, then this number. This is 99. Now coming to this is our last question. This is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. This is 11 million, this is 77 million, this is 71 million, and this is 17 million. 11 million is the smallest. Then 17 million is smallest. After this 71 million is smallest, then 77. We will write this number on the third position. And finally we write this 77,117,117,117. So this we will write finally this number here at the fourth position. So complete this work today. I will send to you this page in WhatsApp group. And now we are moving to the page number 10. So see there, this is the practice C question number 1 using the digit cards make. Here we have given 6 digits. This is 7, 6, 5, 1, 2, 0. You have to make 4 even numbers, and each even number consists of 6 digits. This is our requirement. In B you have to make 4 odd numbers having 5 digits. So this is our question. And keep one thing in a mind, when we have to make a even number, we always write the even number in unit place. So if we have to make even numbers, so we write the even number at unit place, and in odd number the digit in unit place is odd. So these are the two important points. First is, in odd number the last digit should be odd, or the unit digit should be odd, or in even number the last digit or the last digit should be even if we want to make an even number. So the digit in unit place is even. See here, I have to make 6 digit even number. Take any number, 7, 6, 5, 1, 2, and now I have to add last number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number. I have to add last number in the last column, and but choice is to add only even number, because I am making even number. If I am making the odd number, so I have to add odd number, but I am making even number, so I have to add in the last the even number. So the even number is, I have written 6 here, I have written 1 here, I have written 2 here, but I do not have write 0, so I will write 0 after adding 0 here. So this will become the even number of 6 digits. Count the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one I have filled this, and 3 is still remaining in even number, and 4 is still remaining odd number. So this is your homework. I am giving you this task as a homework. Kindly complete this task on book page number 10. So this is your homework, and inshallah in the next class we will discuss about round of numbers. Allah Hafiz.